The Bymat is a stainless steel weld cleaning machine. There are two models of the Bymat. The first is the Biomat Rs 1024. This has 5 primary functions that include cleaning welded areas, polishing stainless steel after welding, embossing dark on stainless steel, embossing light, and electroplating on all conductive materials. The Biomat 1124 RS is available with weld cleaning, stainless steel polishing, and dark embossing functions. To use the Biomat, you switch it on using the button on the back of the machine. The display will light up, which shows the function and voltage that has been selected. To use the cleaning function, you select function 1. Using the dial on the front, wind this voltage up to approximately 24 volts. The insulated handle ensures safety for the operator. A felt strip is secured to the carbon anode with an O-ring. If we take a typical welded piece that has weld discoloration as an example, the felt is dipped into the relevant solution and then wiped over the weld. All that is then needed is a wipe over with a dry paper cloth. The result is that the marks disappear instantly. Here we see Biomat's versatility, as it can be used on flat welds and any difficult to reach corner welds. The results speak for themselves. To polish using the Biomat machine, function 2 must be selected using the dial, and you adjust the machine to operate at approximately 30 volts. Then, by using a different solution and a different felt but the same method, dip the felt on the handle into the solution and continue to polish the metal. Wipe the metal over with a damp cloth. The effects are once again striking. The third function of the Biomat is to emboss dark on stainless steel. To use this function, simply turn the dial to setting 1 and adjust the machine down to 12 volts. This time you use a flat anode, again with felt strips secured to the anode with an O-ring. It only requires a few spots of the embossing fluid. A template is required that can be any size up to A4 and can have any number of words, figures or images on. The template is good for approximately 5,000 uses. Once ready, the template must be held down, and the felt should be stroked over gently a few times. Once removing the template, wipe with a dry cloth, and your image has been embossed on the desired surface. Furthermore, the Biomat 1024 will emboss light on all conductive materials. The procedure works along the same basis as the embossing dark function, and the effects are just as impressive. This machine's 5th function is to electroplate on all conductive materials. Both machines come with their own cases, set of solutions, accessories and instructions on how to use the machine. Altogether, the Biomat's versatility, simplicity and compatibility make it an outstanding operative piece of technology.